Item package length, 4.318 cm. Item package width, 4.572 cm. Item package height, 17.78 cm. Item package weight, 0.318 kg. Ingredients: Aloe Barbadensis leaf juice, sodium Cocoyl Isethionate, Disodium Laureth Sulfosuccinate, sodium Lauryl Sulfoacetate, Lauramidopropyl Betaine, Hydroxypropyl Methylcellulose, Dimethicone PEG 8 Meadowfomate, Hydrolyzed jojoba esters, Trisodium Ethylenediamine Disuccinate, Litchi Chinesis Pericano extract, sodium Cocoyl amino acids, Potassium Dimethicone PEG 7 Parthenyl phosphate, Argnine, aspartic acid, alanine, glycine, serine, valine, proline, threonine, isoleucine, histidine, phenylalanine, Camellia sinensis leaf extract, Equistum arvense extract, Utica dioica, nettle, extract, Chamomilla recutita, Matricaria, flower extract, Citrus limone, lemon, peel extract, Rosmarinus officinalis, rosemary, leaf extract, Lawsonia inermes, henna, leaf extract, Homomellus virginiana, witch hazel, leaf extract, glycol distearate, glycerol ciliate, Coco-Glucoside, PCA, sodium PCA, sodium lactate, menthol, camphor, palicoternium 7, butylene glycol, aminomethylpropanol, caprolol glycol, phenoxyethanol, chlorphenicin, sodium benzenate, parfum, fragrance, limonene. Directions: work through wet hair, lather. Rinse. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely love this shampoo. I am allergic to most shampoos and have been using this one for at least 10 years. Love it.